How to use voice changer on Snapchat. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So first of all, let's open our Snapchat application. So once you are here, you have to go for the search bar on the top, but make sure you are in a filter mode, which is of course your camera. So once you are here, you have to search for the voice changer. Now simply search for it. So as you can see, these are the top result that is showing me on the top. So these are just limited filters. So what you have to do is to scroll all the way to this lenses and click on explore lenses. And now once you are here, you have to again search for the voice changer, but you have to use the lens filter in order to access the voice changer. So you have to simply click one of these, and now you can record your video. So that's how basically you can use voice changer on Snapchat.